Hey, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. This video is another trade school, high frequency trading explanation and example video. On weekend, I'm explaining almost those kind of trades which I have already done, because I'm doing those kind of trades really fast, and it's difficult to explain in detail what I have done, and so I try to explain them in this kind of trade school videos, where I show you what does the indicator mean, what price action is telling me, and what is the market condition telling me, and what you should be aware about, and what you should know to trade the market right. So, okay, but first of all, I have to recommend to anybody of you to get this kind of ebook. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. Get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group, don't miss it. So this ebook, yes, it's a 6th edition. Yes, you can find this ebook in the description. Yes, and get it, it's for free. So let me see if I can show you now those trades which I have done before, and explain why I took those trades. Okay, first of all, I have to get the video. Here we have it. So here's the video. So, okay, what is important to know here? Let me explain this. So here, first of all, we have here after an uptrend, yes, and the uptrend is still active, but we got here a crossing. You see here this crossing. Here was a Bollinger Squeeze. Now we're getting here an breakout. This is a short uptrend. You see the EMAs are still they are aligned into an uptrend, 200, 150, and 20. Prices above the 20, and that means already we have here an uptrend. It's not a strong uptrend, yes, but it's an uptrend, and we got here this kind of ranging mode now, ranging area, yes, consolidation area on higher time frames, but ranging in a lower time frame. Yes, you see here how it's moving in this kind of range, but we have under sound of uptrend, yes, and we have here a Bollinger Squeeze, and also here the ranging consolidation area after the Bollinger Squeeze in this kind of area. And you see how price is in between of this kind of area. Yes, it's consolidation area between the middle Bollinger Band and the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, because it's the upper part of this range, yes, range bound market. So let me see if I can show you now why and what kind of trades I have done here. And that is what you should understand before the trades. You should almost understand the market condition based on the Bollinger Band and the EMA. Yes, and also this one, that when price is here, the middle Bollinger Band and the 20 EMA are crossing, there can be always two signs, or you could get a trend change, or you get a pullback. Yes, and in this case it was a pullback of the 20 EMA. Yes, it was based on a fake breakout. You see here this fake breakout of the 20 EMA. Yes, and that is what this crossing of the 20 EMA with the 20 SMA, the middle Bollinger Band, means. So, okay, we are getting here together. So I would say I would do play, and then we are going to discuss, or I would stop as soon as there is something to understand. So I want to do a put here. You have seen here I move the mouse above the lower button, but after this I understood that we get here some kind of nice support area, and that is what I have shown you before. Yes, we have here this kind of ranging. You see how many wicks there are. Yes, this is the box here. This box is yes, that is where the price is moving. This kind of consolidation area is trapping the price in between of the upper one deviation Bollinger Band and the middle Bollinger Band, yes, and that's the reason why I did the call, because I was pretty much sure that price would go up here because of this support and support area, yes, which looks really strong. Somebody could say, yes, but we have here also a double bottom, a double top, yes, but yes, it's right. But the problem is that we are here still in some kind of how it's called, some kind of ranging market here. You see the Bollinger Squeeze. What is a nice sign that yes, that is a sign for this, that this double top will not unfold at the moment, yes, because we are still in a ranging market. To unfold, it should be a breakout, yes, and if there is no breakout, there is no unfolding, yes, and before it's going to break, before this double top will work, after we got here so many touches of this support level, yes, it has to break through it. Before that, I would not trade this. So, and that was the reason, because here to enter at this level, it was already too late. Yes, because the movement was too strong downwards, and I have seen that price got in one movement downward to this support area. I entered into a call because I was pretty much sure that price will not break this kind of area in this running candle. So let me see what's happened. I entered into this trade, and price and it starts immediately to retrace. Yes, it broke through this area, got another rejection. Yes. You see, it's try to go down further, and after this, yes, I'm showing you the support area here with the mouse. Yes, where it's overall support, and then you see how price get back into this kind of consolidation area, this box which I have shown you. Yes, based on this kind of range here. Yes, this kind of range. If you have such kind of range and you have a consolidation area and you see that price is shooting out of it, and you have some good support level, you can do this kind of trades. Yes, and you see at the end it got a dragonfly doji, which shows a really strong buying pressure. And that in confluence with, yes, not only with support and resistance here, yes, you see here, this wick here is telling me we got here, first of all, a support level. Here it was support, here it got resistance, yes. And so we have here a nice area, and in confluence with this major uptrend, 200 EMA, 120 EMA. So, and that is the reason why I entered here. First of all, I want to enter into a put, but then I understood from the complete behavior of this running candle. Let me see. Yes, from the to get a better entry point to do a call. Yes, because I understood that price was not going deeper. If price would have done, yes, if price would have done broken this closing price or opening price of the previous candle of this dragonfly doji, crossing this support level, I would have done a put for sure, yes, because then I would have expected a reversal. But in this condition, that price got a rejection from the middle Bollinger Band and didn't broke through the support area, was a clear call for me, and that was the reason why I did a call. Now, after this, because now we are moving out of this box here, out of the zone between the middle Bollinger Band and the one deviation with the bullish candle, I decided to do another call, maybe, yes, call. I would do a call in this kind of condition, yes, because I would expect a breakout. And you see I entered here into a call because I understood that price will break out. You see also like the Bollinger Bands are wider, getting wider, yes, and yes, and the movement, upward movement is a strong one, yes, because now the price breakout, and that is because I have done this trade in confluence with this major uptrend. Here with this pullbacks of the 20 EMA always told me that price would try to go up and not down, and that was maybe also this kind here looks now like a double bottom, yes. with the neckline of the 1 deviation. Yes, that is what I would understand here. Yes, and that was already 3 nice trend continuation trades following the trend based on this. It was not strong, this trend. You see it was flat, but this pullbacks of the 20 EMA told me that price would go up, and this was the last part of this consolidation area where and that is what you can do often if you get such kind of candle after a long consolidation area. Yes, also this kind of candle at this level here, you can do a trade that is I don't know how it's called, but it has a name that is also really often used by Forex traders, which are in a trapped in a consolidation area. When they see such kind of candle at the end of the consolidation area, it can be also on the other side, yes, they will enter into this trade and set the stop loss here below, and then they will enter, and that would mostly get a huge movement upwards, yes, because that will be the breakout of this box range, and that is what I have shown you here on one minute time frame, but this can be observed also on 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, and higher time frames. Yes, okay, that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.